for Children's First and Craftatus again. And I'm remiss if I don't say that the majority of that room doesn't know already that every school division is already doing behavior and mental health screeners. You can call it a behavior screener, but like the BASC3 that's given to almost every special ed child, if you knew, and I have Chesterfield's right here, that the benign questions that they ask spit out your child's likelihood of having schizophrenia, that's not a behavior screener. That's a mental health screener. And so whether it is SABRS or DESA, in Chesterfield, we have been doing them. And if Delegate Coiner was still sitting up there, she would tell you since 2017. So would this one annual one replace the K through 8 and the 9th through 12th that Chesterfield has by doing just one annually? Because without acknowledging that it's being done all over the state already, what are we really doing? Besides feeling like we're gaslit.
Thank you, Anne.
Thank you.
And make